My definition of scarcity is that scarcity refers to a certain period of time. The length of the period here can be determined by the intensity of scarcity. Scarcity is the characteristic that the demand for a certain commodity is stable or growing, while the supply cannot grow synchronously or may even decrease during a certain period of time. In addition, this commodity lacks alternative commodities at a certain stage, or the alternative commodities are not sufficient to completely replace it, resulting in the supply of the commodity being unable to meet the demand during the period of time. Here, the satisfaction of demand includes consumption demand and investment demand. This definition covers the scarcity under investment. This definition contains several important characteristics. First, the supply is limited. Second, there is a lack of alternative commodities or insufficient alternative commodities. Third, the demand is stable or growing. Fourth, it emphasizes a certain stage. Because investment is time-limited, some commodities have investment value in a certain period of time, but not in another period of time. The scarcity I am talking about here is very different from the definition in economics, but for investment, this definition is more accurate and practical.